Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having low monthly fuel costs, a good deal, and loaded with features. Features also include stability control, premium sound system, rear view camera, premium package, hands-free Bluetooth integration, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Take a ride in the 2019 Elantra. The Elantra boasts the most interior room in its class and gets an exceptional 35 miles per gallon. With its luxurious standard features, the Elantra is an easy choice. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.